What is CRM and how does it work? Customer Relationship Management CRM is a software for managing all your company's relationships and interactions with customers and potential customers. A CRM system is an extremely essential tool for every business. It helps to promote customer loyalty and set it into beneficial revenue. What does a CRM system do? CRM allows you to keep your customers' contact details updated, track every interaction that they have with your business, current and potential customers, and manage their accounts. How does a CRM platform work? A CRM is designed to improve your customer relationships and drive sales growth. At the most basic level, CRM software lets salespeople and marketers manage and analyze relationships with the organization's actual and potential customers. It analyzes the data and opportunities using data analysis from different communication channels, email, websites, marketing materials, phone calls, live chat, social media, etc., and helps provide stellar customer service. Benefits of CRM software. Using an appropriate CRM system can help you improve revenue by 40% per sales rep and enhance customer retention by around 27%. Other significant benefits of using CRM include understanding your clients, extensive lead and contact management, handling effective marketing campaigns, customer support and client loyalty. How do I get started with CRM? After you have chosen your CRM, now it's time to put it to work. You can start by following the steps mentioned below. Step 1. Add your salespeople. The quicker you are to get all the reps on your team utilizing your CRM, the more accurate and comprehensive your data will be. Step 2. Customize your settings. You need to have a complete idea of what your sales process looks like. Take several weeks to monitor and measure the way prospects purchase your product or service. Step 3. Import your contact and deals. Each column in your spreadsheet needs to match a contact property in the CRM so that your data can flow seamlessly between your old and new systems. Step 4. Integrate your other tools. You need to centralize sales, marketing, and customer success information in your CRM. Step 5. Export qualified leads to your CRM. If your leads are qualified, they can be routed to a salesperson, and if they need more time, the marketing team can help them nurture using some educational content. Step 6. Set up your dashboard and enable reports. You need to have a clear overview of your team's performance so that you can keep them aligned and provide the proper direction and coaching. It works as a great idea to make daily, weekly, monthly, and/or quarterly email reports. How long does CRM take to see value? Every company has its own distinctive set of events and cases that impact how long it will take to get a CRM system to bring results smoothly. However, the right implementation of the right CRM software begins to create value the moment you enter your first lead. For excellent results, you need to ensure that all leads are processed through your CRM. What can't a CRM manage? CRM are customer-facing. They collect all the information that you need about your customers and put it in one place. In general, they won't help with things that they're not made for, like production, shipping, warehousing, or finance. Final thoughts. Customer relationship management systems are made to provide you with deeper insights, increase customer satisfaction, and assist you to sell more. You'll offer the personal touch as you reach out to every customer and lead. And that's the fastest way to create happier customers.